Hello again, everyone. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is my God Made Earth box for a sweet boy 2 to 4 years old. I included a t-shirt that says Earth, it's what's on the inside that counts, with a diagram of the inside of the Earth. I love what this t-shirt says. A pair of drawstring shorts that match his shirt perfectly. And I show the outfit a little bit better at the end of the video. Both of these are size 4. I believe I bought those shorts for cheaper than $4.99. His ball, and I put a washcloth inside to use up that space and left a bit of it out so it would be easier for him to get out. His underwear, his IKEA cup, and a fun whistle. I was excited to find this globe sharpener at Staples this fall. A bag to keep his crayons in. I picked this car for him because I thought the colors went well with everything. I found this book at Dollar Tree. It just ties everything together with the stars and Earth. A tote bag with a compact mirror. I like giving these to all the age groups. Even his mom or a sibling could appreciate it. He has one maraca. I could not fit both in. I found those on Amazon. His toothbrush with a cap. I put outer space stickers in his coloring book. Ties in well with his star Care Bear. And here is his little friend. I love how happy the star looks. I'm really a fan of the Care Bears. They are so cute with the little hearts and the wisp of hair. Great size stuffy too. A soap and soap saver he can wear on his wrist. Probably my favorite pouches here. These are from Amazon, and the quality is awesome. I know this will hold up and it'll last him a long time. He has earth pencils along with a notepad, sparkly blue comb, eraser, and extra sharpener. His scissors. A good size notebook. And at the bottom, a puzzle I found at my thrift store, brand new, for $3. I took the wrapping off and kept it put together, laying flat in the Ziploc bag. It's very beautiful, and it's made of a thick wood. He could also keep it in his yellow bag that I gave him. I picked this postcard because I thought the one shape resembled a star a little bit. Thank you so much for checking out this unboxing. I really enjoyed creating this box. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. Take care.